For my next video, I'd like to do one on the newer Galaxy S26 Ultra. And I don't do a whole lot of videos with the S Pen, but I want to start because I have been using that more than lately. And I want to show some people a lot of the different functions and abilities with the S Pen, which really makes your life a lot easier. So first thing, and we're not going to go over this, but for my settings, the first thing I have is when I pull the S Pen out, I have it go into automatically a text file to do a note. So I figure, why not make that automatic? If I'm going to draw it out, or if I'm going to pull it out, I'm obviously going to pull it out for a reason, so why not have it go in? You can, there's a setting for that, which we can go through some other time. That's not the point of this video. This is the point though, however. So when you go into this and you're ready to do a new video, tap the little three buttons, and we're going to do this. Turn on Math Solver. Okay, this unfortunately defaults back every time you close this app. So, or put your pen away or whatever. So you're going to have to turn it on, is what I'm trying to say, each time you want to use it. But it's really a powerful app. So 5 divided by 50. Yeah, they're not going to be able to read that one, I don't think, but that's okay. Plus 60 equals. And, oops. Equals. Okay. So let's start this back up here. So turn on Math Solver. So we're going to do 5 times 5 equals something really simple. 5,000. I don't know why it converted it to microseconds, but it even converted it there. So, and it puts it in my own crappy handwriting. So that's kind of cool. So you can resize it, make it bigger, rotate it, do whatever you want with it. So, and it's pretty powerful too. So like 5, oops, I guess we have to erase this first. So let's do delete, move to trash, and then we'll do a new one. Pull the pen out, and we'll go 10 times 5 to the 8th power equals. It's supposed to come right up. Oh, I forgot to turn it on again. Yeah, see, you have to, each time you do it, 10 times 5 to the 8th equals. And it did it. See, I forgot even myself, you have to, each time you close this, you have to turn it back on because it defaults to it being off. And then you can have it to do like it just did. It gave my equals 1.783 times 10 to the 24th power. So it's a pretty neat little feature if you do any kind of math and you don't want to use your calculator, you just want to handwrite it. It even does equations. It's a very powerful feature for the S Pen. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time. And until next time, I'm out.